In the last step, we identified the epipedons, the diagnostic horizons, using the characteristics of the structure, the color, the organic carbon, the depth, and the base saturation of the horizons. At this stage, and we use the dichotomous key to do that, now we're going to go to the next step and do the orders, identify the order. So as we're working through this, for the order, we're going to go through the list of questions that it gives us. This is a simplified key again, so we have soils that are more common in the northern Great Plains or the northern Great Lakes region. Then we have the dominant soils in the Corn Belt, and then we have soils that you might find anywhere. These soils each have unique characteristics or diagnostic horizons. So, does it have a histic horizon is the first question. We come over and we look at our first horizon here, and it says it has an ocric horizon at the surface. Well, we have to go back and remember that histic is a surface horizon. This one has an ocric, so the answer is no. Does it have a spodic horizon? A spodic horizon is an endopedon. So, a subsurface, a B horizon. Does it have a spodic horizon in our list over here? The answer was no. Now, does it have a molic horizon? Again, a molic horizon is a surface horizon. We see on our list over here that we do have some molic horizons, but this is not one of them. So, the answer is no. Now we come to something that says, does it have an ocric? Well, we do have an ocric. Well, what's the other part of this? Argillic. Umbric is another type of surface horizon. We haven't encountered one of those yet, but it could have an ocric or an umbric. And an argillic, let's see if we've got an argillic to accompany that. We do. We have an ocric and an argillic. Well, there's one more component here. Is its base saturation or base cation saturation percentage greater than 35%? We come and look, and it's 90%. So the answer is yes. Well, once we have a yes, we have an answer. And we're done. We don't have to ask any more questions. So in this case, our order is alpha sol. Now, orders are always written with capital letters. They're proper nouns. Now let's look at the next one. We'll reset over here and go through our questions again. Does it have a histic? It's got molic, so no. Does it have a spodic? No. Does it have a molic? Well, yes, it does have a molic horizon, because there we had molic. So what is our order? We're to a box now. It's a mollisol. As we continue then, we'll reset, work through the next set. Histic? No. Spodic? No. Molic? No. Okay, now we're to an ocric again. We do have an ocric, so we'll check ocric. Do we have an argillic? The answer is yes, we do have an argillic. What about our base cation saturation percentage? Is it greater than 35%? It is. So that gives us another, so the answer is yes to all of those questions. We have another alpha sol. What about the next one? Reset. Questions again. Histic? No, it's ocric. Spodic? No, we've got what over there? Don't have one. Molic? No. Ocric? Yes, we do have an ocric, so let's follow through and see. Do we have an argillic? Nope, there's no argillic. So the answer to that one is no. Does it have a cambic horizon? We see two of them down here later that have cambic horizons, but this is not one of them, so no. Well, that leaves us with our very little baby soil here, an intasol. Well, we've got one more to do. We'll erase all of these and reset it for one last time. Does it have a histic horizon? It's got a molic, so the answer is no. Does it have a spodic horizon? We're looking over here. Nope. it's got cambic, so that's not spodic, so no. Does it have molic? It does. It's got a molic, so the answer is yes. So we have a mollisol. Doesn't matter what the other stuff is. As soon as we have a box, we stop asking questions. We stop looking at other features. So this one is a mollisol. You get the idea? So when you check out, you can work those other two on your own, and the key is available for you. So that's how you use this dichotomous key with the epipedons, or surface horizons, and endopedons, or subsurface diagnostic horizons, to determine the soil order.